In this video, I will show you how to get the dropshipping agreement for CJ Dropshipping, which has been sent to me directly by the CEO of CJ Dropshipping and is happy for you to use this to produce to eBay if necessary. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this link over here. Once you got this file up, please note that you won't actually be able to edit this because this is a non-editable version. So you need to go ahead and download this first. So download it as a Microsoft Word doc over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download this as a Microsoft Word doc and then go to Google Docs. So just go to Google, type in Google Docs and open this up over here. Click on Google Docs, this blue one. Go ahead and click on that. And then on the right hand side of the screen, see this little file button. Go ahead and click on this file button. And then click on upload over here on the right hand side of the screen over here. Click on that. And then you're just going to put your file in there, open it. And once it's opened up, you're going to now find an editable version over here. So here, you're going to enter your business details. So you're just going to put your business name over here. You're going to put the address your business is registered to, your business address. So this should be matching to whatever you put on eBay. Okay, your contact telephone number. So 123, I'm just going to put a random. And then your name over here. So I'm just going to put Mr. Test Account. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on File and then download as a PDF document. So then once you've downloaded it as a PDF document over here, you'll just wait for it to download. And then if eBay ever asks you to produce a document, or if eBay ever asks you, do you have a contract with a dropshipping supplier, you can push them, you can give them this one over here and then produce the PDF document as you can see over here with your details on there. And this is an official dropshipping agreement that has been given to me by the CEO of CJ Dropshipping, and he said it's okay for you guys who are enrolled to the masterclass to use this. Thank you very much for watching.